my wonderful weathermen and women. Now that we have seen all the seasons and we studied the clothing, we're going to get started on your journal assignment. Our instructions ask us to please watch this teacher video to draw, color, and label clothing, summer, fall, winter, and spring. How many seasons are there in the year? Ding! 4. We're going to set up our journal in a 4-square model, so we have a square for every season. Will you please open up your journal and find the first clean page? Remember, boys and girls, you can use the back side of your pages. Don't waste those beautiful trees. On the top of our page, we always start with today's date. What's today? 2 for February, 11 for the day, in the year 2021. We are drawing 4 pictures of what's this called? Clothing. I've got it right here, underlined for you in a capital C. Check out this label, clothing, and let's go put it at the top of our page for our title. Ready? Oh, T-H, the clothing. Clothing has the word thing in clothing. Check out your title. Can you see mine? It says clothing and today's date. Let's underline that title on the top of our page. Now that we have the title, clothing, we need to separate into 4 squares. Start with your pencil at the top and go straight down. Then we need one more line across here to separate into 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, all about the clothing. Are you ready to add your seasons labels? I've put them here for you under the word clothing. The first word says summer. Everybody grab your pencil. On this line, we're writing s. Repeat it and write it. S. Check your word. Summer. Did you write summer correctly? Nice job. After summer, let's move to our next box. Our next label says fall. Say it with me. Fall. Repeat it while you write it. Fall. Now, I've got capital letters on these 2 seasons' names because they are the season's what? Name. And names get capital letters. Are you writing with capital letters? Capital S, summer. Capital F in fall. Good job. We've got 2 more seasons to label before we go start drawing. I'm moving to my 2 bottom boxes. Here I'm going to write on this line. I'm starting with this W word. Read it with me. Winter. Winter. Say it. Winter. Nice job. Now let's repeat it and write it. Winter. Capital W. In. Win. Winter. Capital W. Winter. Check your word. Our last season and our last box is with a capital S, and it says spring. Read it with me. Spring. Let's repeat it and write it. Capital S. Ing. Spring. Check your 4 labels. Do they all have capital letters? Read them with me. Summer. fall, winter, spring. Nice labeling work. We're now ready to go draw and color. I have an anchor chart to help you remember what you are drawing and coloring today. The labels are here: spring, summer, fall, winter. And we are focusing on the clothes. Let's look at this spring picture and add to our journal, what clothes should we wear in the spring? I see she's wearing red rain boots. There's rain coming down here to water the flower. She has an umbrella and a rain jacket. In our video, we saw a girl on a picnic. Remember? Long sleeves and a skirt. You need to grab your pencil and let's go to our box that says spring. Spring. Oh, mine's down here. Find your spring box. And we need to show spring clothing. Everybody, start your picture. Look at the screen and let's show spring. I've got an umbrella to protect from the rain. I'm going to also draw rain boots and a skirt like the girl in the picnic. You could wear shorts or pants. Remember, the weather is warm, but there might be some rain falling, so you'll want to protect from the rain. Once you've added one or two clothing items, grab some colors and add some color details. What should we wear to be prepared in the spring? You never know when the rain's gonna fall. The butterflies are flying, the flowers are blooming, and we are warm, enjoying our picnic. Now I'm almost done with my color details. Are you? If not, it's okay. Pause the video and take your time. I'll do one more box with you, then you'll be on your own. Let's look over here at summer. Where do we have summer in our journal? Up, 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 summer. What are they wearing in the summertime? Hat, sunglasses, shorts, short sleeves, playing in the sand. You might wear a swimming suit in the summer. It's so hot. Grab your pencil and let's show some summer clothes. I like to wear a big hat in the summer. I like to wear my cool summer sunglasses to protect from the sun. Oh, and on my feet. Remember we said we like to wear those flip-flops. You got it. Show me some flip-flops between your little toesies. And you might even show me a swimsuit if you like to go swimming, because it is hot, hot, hot in the summertime. I'm going to go take time and show the details, the color, the clothing, and all of my seasons. I've done 2 with you now, and you've got 2 more to do. Come take a look at this picture to help remind you of those seasons, and then add details of clothing in each box of your journal. When your journal, it looks like this anchor chart, full of pictures, full of color, plus your labels, then you'll be ready to take a picture and upload to Google Classroom. I cannot wait to see all of the clothing you will be prepared to wear in the spring, summer, winter, and fall. Take your time, show me details, and good job. Hasta mañana, mis amigos.